This is tutorial 6-2 on page 224, and in the tutorial for, or the video for tutorial 6-1, I did not do the your turn part. So if you haven't done the your turn part, then you're not going to be seeing the dots here. So I got rid of facilities and I intersected facilities with the Lower East Side here to get all of these red dots, and I exported that as its own layer. So now I've got 3 layers here, one for the outer boundary here, which is Lower East Side, and one for the streets, and then one for the facilities. So your map should look something like that. And the first step here is to save it as tutorial 6-2. File, save as, and tutorial 6-2. And then I want to go to geoprocessing, and I want to choose clip. And the input feature is the Lower East Side streets. What we're going to do is we're going to chop off these things that go outside the Lower East Side boundaries. And clip features is Lower East Side. And the output feature class is going to be Lower East Side streets. And they almost give it to us here, but we'll use the same name they do in the book. Clipped. And click on OK. And it should chop off the streets for us here. See, it's clipping down here. And I'm going to pause the video instead of waiting for all of this, and I'll come back after everything has been clipped. And now if we turn off the Lower East Side streets, there we go. And the blue stuff is what we got from our clipped layer. And it doesn't say anything in here about removing this, so we'll leave it there, and then it says save our map document. So we'll save it, and that was a short tutorial. That's the end of tutorial 6-2.